free Air Jordan 1 Mocha giveaway. All you guys need to do is hit that thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment down below. Let me know your size in the Air Jordan 1 Mocha. For a bonus entry, you guys can follow me on Instagram at DannyMoore2369 and DM me proof that you did everything. This giveaway ends at the end of May, and don't worry, the winner's gonna receive a brand new dead stock pair of Mocha 1s. This is just my personal worn pair. Good luck. Make sure you guys get your giveaway entries in for a free pair of Mocha 1s. Scam alert! Lately, there's been scammers creating fake accounts pretending to be me, trying to get you guys to send them money for my giveaways. My giveaways are always completely free. I don't ask for money. I pay shipping completely free. I will not ask you guys for money. So if you get a reply in the comments ever telling you, hey, you won my giveaway, message me on blah, 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 Telegram, WhatsApp, any of that nonsense. It's not me. It's a scam. Watch out. It is not Danny Moore. Do not contact these scammers. Don't reply to them. Block them. Report the account. And please help me out. This is absolutely crazy. This keeps going on with these free sneaker giveaways. I'm trying to give back, and it's making it harder and harder to give back because of scammers. So make sure you guys get your giveaway entries in for a free pair of Mocha 1s. Make sure you guys subscribe. We're on the road to 100,000 subscribers. And please watch out for those scammers. It's absolutely ridiculous what is going on. YouTube, you need to do something about these scammers. I regret selling this pair of Air Jordan 1s, so I had to buy them back. I had this Air Jordan 1 several times. The market actually dropped for some reason, so I bought a pair of this fire, straight fire Air Jordan 1. Let's get into this fire, straight fire sneaker unboxing. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, smash that like button, leave a comment down below. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. Let's get into this fire, straight fire video. This is a pair of Air Jordan 1s I've had several times. For some reason, I never kept them, and I regret selling my personal pair, so I had to buy them back. I purchased these from a subscriber. This is a dead stock pair, brand new, and he gave them to me for one crazy deal. Lowest ask at the time was around $350, which actually is crazy because market dropped. These were reselling for $450, almost $500. For some reason, they dropped. I'm not sure why. They definitely will go back up in price. But he gave me them for like $60 under ask. $290 shipped. Brand new, dead stock. I love this Air Jordan 1. I know a lot of people like this Air Jordan 1 as well. He really shipped this in there really good, really packed in there tight. But here they are. Let's put these back on so I can cover this up and show you guys the sneakers. So we got a beautiful Air Jordan 1 box, my favorite box, as you guys know. This is a pair size 10.5. I've owned this sneaker several times. I just never kept them. I regret selling this sneaker. This is a must cop. I need them back in the collection. Brand new, dead stock for $290. Absolutely, this is a steal. So let's open these up. We got the Air Jordan 1 University Blue. Now, something's a little weird already because he sent me pictures of both pairs like this, and one of them is laced up. Not a big deal, but let me just check these out, make sure they look good. They do have the receipt right here from Finish Line, so that's good. The box does have the green sticker with the lines, so that's a good legit sign right there. These look pretty good. Let me just take a look over. There's creasing. There's creasing. And these are worn. These are 100% worn. Look at the toe box, there's a little creasing. Look at the back right there, major crease right there. There's some dirt on the bottom. Yeah, these are 100% worn. He unlaced the other one, laced this one up, and there's creasing on the toe box. What the heck? Hold on a second. Yeah, hold on a second. Where's the extra laces? They're not here. Okay. I'm going to message the seller and get back to you guys with an update because these are 100% worn. There's creasing. They're worn 100%. There's no extra laces. That already is a problem. I'm gonna legit check them more and message the seller. I'm gonna give you guys an update. This is not good. I don't want to be finessed over here. I know I got them for a good deal, but $290 dead stock I purchased, not a worn pair. I did pay through PayPal invoice, so I can get some money back if it comes down to it, but I'm gonna ask him nicely for a little bit of a refund. Nothing too crazy because it is the University Blue one after all, but a little bit of a discount because yeah, these are 100% worn. There's creasing on the toe, dirt on the bottom. Yeah, no, 100%. And yeah, there's a little, I'm not sure if the camera's gonna show it, but there's a little bit of sock line on the inside. Yeah, there's a little sock line on the back there. Yeah, no, 100% they're worn. I am gonna keep them. If you guys have the blue laces, please DM me on Instagram. I probably will keep these anyway, but I'm gonna try to get a little bit of a refund because these are definitely worn, and I spent $290 on a dead stock pair. You guys need to not do this. Do not sell your shoes as DS when they're worn, and it's obvious at that. I mean, there's creasing like that. Come on, there's creasing like that. No way. I'm gonna message the seller and get back to you guys. I have an update for you guys on this sneaker situation, but before we get into the update, real quick, I need to tell you guys about Sole Premise. Sole Premise has the best sneaker bags in the game. Every bag is made to hold your sneakers. Check that out. Actual compartments to hold your sneakers, your laptop, your clothes, and much more. You guys can check out Sole Premise with the link down below in the description. Use my discount code DannyMoore. That's gonna give you 40% off your order from solepremise.com. They have backpacks, duffel bags, luggage bags, all different types of bags, all different colors. You're gonna find a bag you're gonna use and fall in love with. Link down below, Danny Moore, 40% off. Thank you, Sole Premise, for sponsoring today's video. Now let's get back to it. I have to tell you guys about this update. Have an update for you guys, and it's good news. He gave me a nice refund. I asked for a little refund. I think he went overboard a little bit. He gave me a $90 refund. So I wound up paying $200 for a basically worn once pair of University Blue Jordan 1s. He apologized to me up and down, and he corrected the situation, which is awesome at the end of the day. Let this be a lesson to you. If you're a seller, a new seller, an old seller, it doesn't matter regardless. If your sneakers are not dead stock, do not sell them as dead stock. You're going to wind up getting caught up doing that. Obviously, this guy got caught up doing it. I'm not sure if he's done it before. He did correct the situation, which is awesome, but it's not good. Do not sell your shoes as DS when they're clearly not. If they're worn at all, outside worn inside, there's dirt, there's creasing, listen, you gotta say that they're, lightly worn. They're VNDS, but they're not completely dead stock. So let this video be a lesson to you guys out there. I hope this video did, teach you guys something, correct the situation. If you do mess up as a seller, correct the situation, make up for it. You don't have to go overboard all the time, but definitely make up for the situation if you're in the wrong as a seller. This guy was in the wrong. Let's be honest. He was in the wrong. This guy did go a little bit above and beyond. He gave me a $90 refund. I think like a $40, $50 refund would have been good. Don't forget there is no blue laces as well, so they're worn and no blue laces. I definitely think that's worth $50. But yeah, he gave me a $90 discount. I guess he didn't really care. He just wanted them gone at the end of the day. I did legit check them. They are 100% legit. I put them through apps. I also, of course, use the blacklight and legit check them with my brother's pair. He actually has a pair that he held on to that he got for retail. So they are 100% legit, which is good news. Awesome. And at the end of the day, I now paid $200 for the University Blue Air Jordan 1, which is going to stay in my personal sneaker collection. Speaking about sneaker collection, if you guys want to see a collection video, make sure you guys hit that thumbs up. Leave a comment down below. Say, hey, Danny, I want to see your sneaker collection. If you guys get this video up to 1,000 likes, I will do my sneaker collection video, so make sure you guys smash that like button. Let this video be a lesson to you. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, even though I might have almost got finessed. I didn't. Almost got finessed, but he gave me a refund. He made up for it, so that's good news. Don't forget to enter in the free Mocha 1 giveaway. Hit that thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment down below. Let me know your size in the Mocha Air Jordan 1s. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. Make sure you guys join the Moore family. Hit that subscribe button. Smash that like button. We're always on the grind. We're never gonna stop. Always dropping that fire straight fire. Thank you guys so much for watching. We out.